This is the third part of our topic basic engine. If you have not watched the first part and second part, you can check out in the cards or you can check out the links in description. The process of the giveaway I will say in the last, so watch till the end. So hey everyone, this is Fawaz here, welcoming you to FFK Incorporation. Let's get into the video. Spark ignition or SI engine. In this type of engine, petrol and gases are used as a combustion fuel, whereas a spark plug is used which produces spark. This ignites the air fuel mixture. Compression ignition or CI engine. This type of engine use diesel as a combustion fuel, and instead of spark plug, here a fuel injector are used which inject the fuel inside the cylinder. Cooling system. As we know that engine convert chemical energy of a fuel to heat energy and then heat energy to mechanical energy. During this process, engine get heat, and to reduce the temperature of engine, cooling systems are used. There are two types of cooling system: water cooled system and air cooled system. In water cooled system, a liquid coolant is used to reduce the temperature of engine, whereas in air cooled system, atmospheric air is used to reduce the temperature of engine. Working fuel. As we human require food to get energy, similarly engine required fuel to produce a mechanical output. It takes fuel as an input and produce a mechanical output. There are three types of fuel: petrol, diesel and biofuels. The engine which consume petrol are known as SI engine. The engine which consume diesel are known as CI engine, and biofuel is also consumed by SI engines. As I have said in earlier that there are two types of engines on the basis of strokes: 2-stroke engine and 4-stroke engine. But have you ever heard about 6-stroke engine? The 6-stroke engine was found by Leonard Dyer in 1950s. This engine can be used for better mileage and less emission. The strokes in these types of engines are as follow: suction stroke, combustion stroke, power stroke, exhaust stroke, air water suction stroke, air water exhaust stroke. The types of valve engine consist are air fuel intake valve, air water only intake valve, combustion exhaust valve, air water only exhaust valve. To get the working of this engine, you can check out Automotive Technology blogs by Aman Attar, where he have clearly mentions all the steps and all the stroke process of 6-stroke engine, and he have also mentioned about double-headed camshaft and various latest technologies about automotive. And as like me, if you are also interested in automobiles and latest technologies about automobiles, you can also check out Automotives and Technologies official Instagram handle, where all the latest technologies and updates are posted. Both blogs and Instagram links are in description, so don't forget to check out those. Now coming to the giveaway. The process of participate in giveaway is simple. All you need is to like this video, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. There is a link in the description where a small quiz is there regarding to this topic. If you get the highest point, then you get a chance to win a lucky prize. Name of the winner I will announce in an upcoming video, so stay tuned. That is it for today. Don't forget to like this video, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. That make me motivate to do this more. And if you think this video was informative, don't forget to share with your friend. Here Fawaz is signing off.